HTYZL automatic oil interfacial tension tester. Default between liquid molecules forms the interfacial tension or surface tension of liquid. The value of tension can reflect the physical and chemical properties of liquid and its material composition. The instrument adopts the fast response electromagnetic force balance sensor, which improves the measurement accuracy and the accuracy. The calibrator of the instrument only needs to calibrate a little, eliminating the need for the zero potentiometer and the full range potentiometer. The instrument can realize the real-time display of the equivalent tension value and the current weight. First of all, do installation. Put the control magnet inside the instrument. Insert the ring-free rod and the plating ring together, and then hang it inside the instrument to keep still. Next, cover out the instrument with calibration interface. Next, start up the machine. Select the English interface and enter the weight calibration interface. First, clear the number, then hang up our 1 gram standard hook weight and read the value after the weight is stable. At this time, the gram of the hook weight is 1.006 gram within the allowable error range. Click the calibration weight and then take down the hook weight. The value is about 12,530, which is between the 10,000 and 15,000. And it is correct. And then we hang up weight. When the value is stable, we choose the calibration weight and the calibration is completed. After finish the weight calibration, enter the pure water calibration interface. Click the pure water calibration. Click up. The instrument sample tray will rise. Click down. The instrument sample tray will fall. Click Start Test button. The instrument will enter the test interface. At this time, the sample tray will rise automatically. And the sample tray will rise to the specified height to start the countdown. At the end of the countdown, the sample tray descends to start the tension test. When the liquid field breaks, the countdown of the instrument is 79.3 and pure water interfacial tension is 70.91. After the test, click Return. After we have finished the weight calibration and pure water calibration, we can enter our sample test. When using the instrument, please note that the instrument should be placed on a flat and stable table. Adjust the 3 adjusting feet. Observe the glass bubble in the middle of the test bench. Make the bubble in the middle position. There should be no strong magnetic field interference around the instrument. Avoid the wind blowing towards the plating ring. During the test, keep the temperature of the test environment constant. During the weight calibration, the instrument should be adjusted to the horizontal state, and the plating ring should be clean. When using pure water calibration, distilled water that has been purified for many times should be used to test the accuracy of the instrument by testing the surface tension of pure water. Daily maintenance should be carried out in strict accordance with the instructions, especially the daily maintenance and prevention of plating ring and test cup.